Let me show you this strange glitch on Doodle Jump. See Ooga there? He's not there. I'm on Ghost Island. He's not a spirit. He's not a zombie. Never put him under in the grave. And there's Newbie. You'll hear a fart and it won't be Newbie. Look. Oh man. See? It's not even there. I'm gonna haunt the pygmy. This is how you turn a pygmy into a zombie. That's the zombie. That's my zombie. That's all. Bye.